Meaning of incubate.
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 Incubate. The term incubate refers to the act of maintaining favorable conditions for the growth and development of something, such as an idea, a project, or a living organism. When we incubate something, we provide the necessary environment and resources for it to thrive and mature. The result of incubating can vary depending on the context. For instance, if we incubate a startup business, the result may be a successful company that generates revenue and creates jobs. Similarly, a scientist may incubate bacteria in the lab to study their growth and behavior. In general, incubation allows for the cultivation and realization of potential.